Hey, are you a foreign manufacturer looking to enter the Indian market with BIS certification for your products? Your very first step is appointing an authorized Indian representative, or AIR. In today's video, we are going to unpack everything you must know before appointing one, because choosing the wrong AIR can cost you time, money, and even your BIS license. Welcome to MindSync. We are a professional organization providing compliance, consulting, legal, and advisory services. So what is an AIR? The AIR is the official bridge between you and the Bureau of Indian Standards. They take full responsibility to ensure that your products comply with Indian regulations, even though your manufacturing facility is abroad. They are your face in India. Legally, operationally, and sometimes, unfortunately, even accountably. Yes, you heard that right. If your product fails to comply, BIS can hold your AIR accountable even though the product was manufactured miles away. That's why nominating the right person or company as your AIR is not just a formality, it's a strategic decision. So who can become an AIR? First of all, let's be clear, only an individual can be AIR. And let's say you have a branch office in India. Great. You can appoint the branch manager or a senior employee as your AIR. No branch in India? You can legally appoint your importer, distributor, or a consultant, compliance expert with relevant experience in BIS. Remember, your AIR can only represent you and not any other foreign manufacturers. An exception is in case of foreign manufacturers belonging to one group of companies, then a person can represent multiple manufacturers. Now let's talk about eligibility. You can't appoint just anyone. Here are the basic conditions your AIR must meet. He must be an Indian resident. He must be legally nominated by you. On your letterhead, he should be at least a graduate. He must understand the BIS Act and associated regulations. He must declare consent to be responsible for compliance. He must be available for BIS inspections, queries, or personal representation. And yes, if you change your AIR or their address, you've got to inform BIS in advance. What if your AIR messes up? Let's be honest, this is the part most manufacturers ignore. If your AIR misrepresents you, submits wrong data, fails with lab communications, or simply fails to cooperate, BIS can cancel your license. And that's not it. The AIR can be blacklisted, and you might lose months trying to start over. You can contact us to understand all the compliances that you and your AIR need to follow. Let's quickly touch on what your AIR needs to do on a regular basis. Ensure standard mark is used properly, attend calls or emails from BIS. Facilitate testing and sampling, avoid unethical practices like communicating with labs about test results, maintain confidentiality. If you have any further queries, please leave us a message. We will be happy to help.